Good morning. Today's video comes to you from the Lake District in this perfect cozy little hut that I have just spent the night in. These are my views. It is perfect. I am in love. It's the beginning of November and I could see fireworks literally for miles and miles last night. It was incredible. So I had a really nice night here. I've woken up this morning and I'm off to do the Coledale Horseshoe today, which I'm really looking forward to. It's been too long since I've done a decent hike, and that means my fitness levels are at 0, so that's going to be fun. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to getting back into the mountains and having a good, decent hike. It's 10 miles. You can actually add to it though if you want to, so we'll see how ambitious I'm feeling later. But for anyone who isn't familiar, it's like a horseshoe loop taking in 5 or so different fells, wainwrights, summits, peaks. I don't really know what you want to call them, but it takes in a lot of the hills around the area. I'm looking forward to it, but the weather has definitely changed. Well, the forecast has changed. It's quite calm now, but throughout the night it's been torrential rain, crazy winds. I am not entirely sure how it's going to go, but we're going to go and give it a try. So yeah, just going to hope that the weather gods are on my side, and looking forward to just a big day out in the mountains, and then come back here and light the fire and chill in my cozy little hut. Perfect. Not gonna lie, I am struggling. This is so tough. I'm not even a mile in yet. I haven't done a decent hike in like 4 or 5 weeks, and I was hiking every single weekend. But life got in the way and I've had to have a few weeks off, and I can tell I'm struggling. But first 30 are the worst 30, so I know that it'll stop being so painful after half an hour or so when my body's warmed up and my muscles are like, okay, yeah, we're doing this, okay, cool. So yeah, but I'm dying a little bit. So I thought this was going to be the summit when I got to it. Nope. It's up there in the clouds. The rain started and I'm really struggling, so I'm sitting down. I'm just having some food in the hope that that gives me a bit of extra energy. I'm just like walking against really strong winds constantly, and it's really tough. But I am 1.7 miles in, an hour in, and 1,570 foot of ascent. 8 miles to go. Oh, I'm just gonna be drenched, I know it. Why did I do this today? Oh wow. my god. That was the most insane. That was just the most insane wind weather I've ever been caught in. I've just dropped down into this little... my brain is fried. I couldn't even keep myself upright when I was like sat down. Literally clinging onto the floor and like being battered around. I've made the decision to head back down because I just couldn't justify carrying on up there. The fact that I'm doing the horseshoe, which means I'm going to be on the ridge the entire time, that's just stupid. I can't do that. I'm gutted. I've driven all the way here, and I obviously wanted to get the horseshoe done, but it would be a really stupid decision to carry on my own in those winds. I made 2,191 foot of ascent, 2 hours 16 minutes and 2.1 miles. Good effort, Grace. That was today's a quarter of the Coledale Horseshoe. Yay. Well, it's the next morning. Hi, I'm dry finally. I'm back in my cozy little Airbnb hut. My camera got so soaked in the weather yesterday that it stopped working. So it wouldn't charge, it wouldn't turn on. I thought it was, it had lived its last day, but it's turned on this morning, so I get to do a bit of a check-in and let you know I'm still alive, I made it down. It was an insane day yesterday. I was so exhausted by the time I got back to my car. My energy was just sapped. I think hours of just pushing through. Even when I was just walking up to the summit, I was walking against really strong winds the whole time, which just takes so much more energy. And then I spent about between 20 and 30 minutes up on the ridge that leads up to the summit, just kind of clinging onto the ground and then taking a few more steps, then clinging on again. There were a couple of other people up there. We were all talking about whether we should carry on or not. So yeah, I'm aching so much in my upper body today from just all of the clinging on and the 50 times I fell over. So I'm confident I made the right decision in coming down. It would have just been a bit of a stupid choice to carry on when I'm on my own and the winds were knocking me over and there's a sheer drop on either side. As much as I really wanted to finish the hike, it just wasn't worth it. So as always, it's important to know when to quit and when to come back another day, which is what I'm definitely going to do. It looks like it would be a beautiful route to do on like a still, calm, clear day. So that's what I'm going to hope for next time I attempt it. But I thought I would just show you, as always, that I show you the good things, I show you the bad things. It wasn't the best hike, this isn't the best video. There are a lot more exciting ones that you can go watch if you're new to my channel, so go check those out. But yeah, that was a quarter of the Coledale Horseshoe. I hope it inspires you to give it a try and hope it lets you know that it's okay to decide to head down if the weather isn't being kind to you up there. The mountains wear the trousers, as I discovered yesterday, so let's never forget that. But thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed any of this, then good, I'm glad. Please subscribe, it'll really help grow my channel, and yeah, I look forward to sharing a more successful video next time. Oh, and this hut is the most cozy, cute place I've ever stayed. I'll share the link to it in the description just because I kind of don't want to share it, but I think it's nice to share it. So I'll share the link in the description if anybody wants to stay here as well. Yeah, so I'm off. See you next time.